Imagine buying a stock, and in just 2 months, it explodes over 260%, and you actually know why it happened. In this video, we're breaking down why AEM SGD became a massive winner, what real catalysts were behind the move, and how the chart confirmed it, the key fundamentals behind the rally, and the breakout signal around 2.18 that changed everything. For almost 2 years, AEM SGD was boring, sideways, even down, the kind of stock where investors feel stuck. Then on 26th of February, it broke out around 218 and turned into a one-way move up, reaching around 255, 5-tuned to 60%. About 46% of that gain happened in just a few days. So let's answer the real question. What triggered this? First, the fundamentals. In second half of 2025, AEM reported robust results. That tells the market the business is performing well and likely to keep growing. Then a major signal. The company reinstated dividends after not paying for some time. You only do that if you're making more than enough to cover costs and you're confident enough to reward shareholders. Strong results plus dividend comeback equals a clear vote of confidence from the company itself. Next, the growth story. There was strong demand from AI customers, and AEM is positioned to benefit from that AI trend. We're not just guessing. We can back this with real news and reports, and then the customer base. Previously, AEM was very dependent on Intel. Now they've added new major customers, which reduces that dependency. So you get AI-driven demand plus a more diversified, more resilient business. That's attractive to both retail and institutional investors. Another powerful clue: who was participating in the move? Large institutions like JP Chase were accumulating AEM in size, raising stake to above 7% at one point. These are not retail trades. They scale in over time. Institutions do not move first without a reason. They respond to underlying shifts like new customers and growth visibility. So when you see strong fundamentals, AI growth, new customers, and institutions accumulating, it often means a big move is coming, and it's already on smart money's radar. Now, the chart. For a long time, AEM was in a downtrend, then stuck in a long consolidation. Price action was monotonous, nothing exciting. Then we saw early trend change signals. Our system started showing potential reversal colors or signals. We didn't rush in. We watched and kept it on our watch list. The real trigger was the breakout. On 26th of February, price broke out around $2.18. The volume trigger, VT, was about 625%, when the requirement of 100% would already be strong. Volume traded hit about 22 million shares versus the 5 million we'd normally look for. That's huge trading activity. From there, price stayed above key moving averages, showing a strong cleanup trend. There was even a second entry around $4.35 on 8 April after a short consolidation. This is where the fundamental story and the technical breakout lined up perfectly. Here's the summary. I've recapped everything for you. So, why did AEM SGD explode over 260%? 1. Strong second half of 2025 results. 2. Dividend reinstatement. Clear confidence from management. 3. AI-driven demand. 4. New major customers reducing Intel dependence. 5. Institutional buying. Big fund inflow. 6. A powerful breakout at 218 with massive volume. When catalysts plus big players plus breakout all align, that's when you get moves like this. If you want to learn how to spot setups like AEM earlier and with more confidence, WhatsApp as AEM through the link in the description to get started.